May bago na raw na classroom observation tool ngayong 2025. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago yan, intro muna tayo. Konti lang. Ito ang itsura ng ating bagong classroom observation tool. So, nang nakalagay na sa taas niyan ay performance management and evaluation system. Una natin makikita dito na indicators or objective ay ang apply knowledge and content within and across curriculum teaching areas. Pangalawa, ensure the positive use of ICT and facilitate the teaching and learning process. Number 3, use a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skills. Number 4, use effective verbal and nonverbal classroom communication strategies to support learner understanding, participation, engagement, and achievement. Number 5, maintain supportive learning environments that nurture and inspire learners to participate, cooperate, and collaborate in continued learning. Number 6, applied a range of successful strategies that maintain learning environments that motivate learners to work productively and assuming responsibility for their own learning. Number 7, design, adapt, and implement teaching strategies that are responsive to learners with disabilities, giftedness, and talents. Number 8, plan and deliver teaching strategies that are responsive to the special educational needs, learners in difficult circumstances, including geographic isolation, chronic illness, displacement due to armed conflict, urban settlement, or disasters, child abuse, and child labor practices. At syempre, nandito pa rin yung signature ng observer. And syempre, di natin pwedeng kalimutan ang signature and name ng teacher. So yun lang guys, ito ang classroom observation tool na gagamitin natin ngayong 2024-2025. Sana ay natulungan ko kayo. Maraming salamat.